This year, my New Year's resolution is to learn how to surf.
And my New Year's resolution is to speak more Gaelga like her.
So we decided to combine the two. We found this amazing surf school called Freedom Surf School Intremore, where they teach surfing as Gaeilge.
Hi, can I talk to you with Smisha Sinead?
Agus is mis blonid, so can I get leis an school show?
Well, déana mí ceachtain ar fáil trí Gaeilge agus rud eile mar sin, cosúil dúis an fearna agus chlárcar. Agus man bhfuil Gaeilge good, you can do it in English as well. Okay, so cad é seo as Gaeilge?
Board. Boards are fun.
That's it.
Feel hey, do tree and shin. Bear grind around the rolly.
Agus ná le marcí an chuna trá mar seo.
Well, we are suited up and ready to rock.
And honestly, Blonded, I think we have never looked hotter. Come on.